are using the sanitizer. It also depends on the rules and the regulations of your country. Most of them are based on alcohol, and we simply apply it with a spray on the foot. They evaporate pretty quickly, so we do not have to clean it. We just apply it and wait. Before starting to work with the client, we also need to examine the feet to take a look on what is there. And here we can notice there is a provocation of the first and the third toe. Like you can see, they want to come together. We are going to call the toes by their numbers. So the big toe is the first one and the pinky is the fifth toe. So first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we have our callus on the first toe. We have a small callus also right here under the first toe because she had hallux valgus. She is mostly giving pressure when she walks to the external side of the feet. That's why most calluses are located under the fifth toe. And also there is some callus on the soft tissue between the first and the second toe. This might happen because of the extra pressure and also if the client is addicted to wearing heels. And because of this deformation, we also have a slight callus on the second toe. And the fifth toe goes under the fourth toe, as you can see while she's walking. That's why there's also a slight callus. So unfortunately, we cannot solve all this problem by ourselves. Well, I mean, we can solve them, but the problem will come back again as she keeps walking. You know, these calluses will come back again. So she needs to work with orthopedists together so they can fix it. They need to work together like as a team and work on these tensions and, you know, do some prescriptions so they can fix the whole problem overall. It's recommended to do pedicure service every 21 to 24 days. If there are any hard extra calluses, you can work only on them every 14 days, which is 2 weeks. So this is how we can work this out and make our client's skin always feel and look beautiful and soft, but unfortunately we will not, you know, make the problem of moving toes go away. So in a perfect world, they need to work together with another specialist.